Jinger Duggar and Jeremy Vuolo are not just California dreamin', they've been California livin' for several months now. Just over a year ago, the couple stunned Duggar Nation by announcing they were moving to Los Angeles. Through much prayer and counsel, the next step for our family is to relocate to Los Angeles to attend Grace Community Church as Jeremy pursues graduate studies at the Master's Seminary, the Jinger and Jeremy announced in a since-deleted post on their website last spring. The move didn't sit very well with Ginger's controlling dad, Jim Bob. We heard, in fact, that Jim Bob disowned Jinger as soon as she made this decision, because, you know, he sucks as a parent and mostly as a human being. We'll save our Jim Bob critique for another time, however. After Jinger and Jeremy moved to California, Radar Online confirmed they were living in a $685,000 home in the San Fernando Valley. The spacious 2,000 square foot residence was estimated to rent for $4,000 a month. That's a steep price for a husband and wife, neither of whom really have a job. On an episode of Counting On, though, it was revealed that the Duggars' charge would be footing the rental bill for 6 months. This was over 6 months ago, of course, which is why many observers are now left to wonder what the heck is going on. Are they letting you stay in your house indefinitely then? One fan recently asked on Instagram. Didn't they say it was temporary on the house shopping episode? Another inquired. Guess you guys are great tenants. The details on Jinger and Jeremy's housing situation remain unclear. With questioning surrounding both the couple's relationship and their future residential arrangements, one social media user figures there's no way they can remain in the Golden State. At this point, I'm not sure if they can afford a house in California. Housing is super expensive, this person wrote. It's true, the median sale price for a home in the San Fernando Valley was $720,000 in February of 2020, according to the Southland Regional Association of Realtors. Jinger, it's been reported, loves Los Angeles and has no plans to give up her gigantic house. As far as we know, though, she has no plans to actually get a job either. So this would imply that the church will keep paying for Jinger and Jeremy to live their lavish lifestyle because this is what Jesus would have wanted. We have no idea at this point. That's it for now, thank you for watching, please subscribe to stay tuned.